Welcome to our tutorial for adding Google Single Sign-On and one-tap registration for your iHouse Elite website, allowing simple registration and login for those using a Google account when visiting your website. In this video, we'll cover how to get started under the Google Developer Console, how to create a new project, how to generate your client ID and client secret, and where to add these under your website admin. With that, let's get started. Your first step will be to visit console.developers.google.com. This will be linked in the description below. Sign in with your Google account. Type in your Google account email and password. After signing in, you'll first be prompted to agree to Google's terms of service. After this, you'll see the API and services dashboard. You'll want to create a new project. To do so, click the button for Select a Project. This will show you the current existing projects, if any, as well as the option for New Project. Click New Project. You'll be asked to give your project a name, ID, and select your preferred organization, if any. The defaults can be used otherwise. Once your project is created, you'll be returned to the API and Services dashboard. Note that the button from earlier will now show your project name. From here, click on OAuth Consent Screen. You'll arrive at the OAuth overview. Click Get Started. Under App Information, you'll need to pick an app name. To keep things simple, you can use the name of your website where this will be used. Next, select the email for users to contact you with questions about their consent if needed, and then press Next. Under Audience, you'll select External, and then press Next. Under Contact Information, select a contact information email. This email is the address that will be used by Google to notify you about any changes to your project. Once selected, press Next. And the last step, the Google API Services User Data Policy. Once completed, press Create. You'll see the notification that OAuth configuration was created. Moving through the sidebar menu, select Branding. Under Branding, you'll see some of your previous info already populated. Under App Domain, enter your full domain. This is easiest by visiting your website and copying the URL from the address bar, and then pasting it here. Scroll down slightly to see the next fields. Here you can add your privacy policy or terms of service if needed. Under Authorized Domains, click the plus to add domain and add your respective domain. Scroll down slightly and press Save. A notice at the bottom of the screen will confirm you've saved. Next in the side menu is Audience. Under Audience, no action is needed, but you can proceed to the next section in the side menu, which is Clients. Under Clients, click the plus to create client. Under Create OAuth Client ID, select Web Application from the drop-down menu, revealing the next fields. Name will appear. The default can be used if desired. This name is only used to identify the client in the console and will not be shown to end users. After this is Authorized JavaScript Origins. Click the plus to add URI. Copy the full URL from your website, but making sure to exclude any path. As an example, nothing after the .com. Once added, scroll down and press Create. Make sure you do not click anywhere outside this pop-up dialog or this window will close. Your client ID and client secret will be revealed to you. This can be copied. Ensure you make note of these two items someplace secure, as starting in June of 2025, the client secret will not be shown again. Once you've made note of these, take your client ID and client secret and go to your website admin for your iHouse Elite website. From website admin, click Integrations to expand it, and then click Social Login. Check the box for Include Google Single Sign-On for simple registration to reveal the needed fields. Paste in your Google Client ID, as well as your Google Client secret. Scroll down slightly and press Save Settings. You'll receive confirmation that the settings have been saved. Additionally, you can now check the box for Enable Google One-Tap Prompt, if desired. If so, click Save Settings, and again, the confirmation will display, and you're all set. Going forward, your visitor registration form will now include a button to sign up using their current Google account via Google Single Sign-On. If the option for Enable Google One-Tap Prompt was activated, those visiting your website while logged into a Google account will receive a prompt to register with OneTap using their current Google account. And that concludes our video tutorial for adding Google Single Sign-On and one-tap registration to your iHouse Elite website. If you'd like to learn more, please feel free to check out the other videos on our channel. Subscribing to our channel will get you updates and tutorials about our newest features and improvements as they're released. Most importantly, if you still need help or just have questions, please let us know. We'd be more than happy to help you. Give our Elite Service team a call at 866-645-7700. We're open Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. Central Time.